Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to update Windows on your laptop. First, open the Start menu. From here go to Settings, then open the Windows Update section, and right here to check if you have any updates, click this button and wait until your device detects any updates that can be downloaded and installed. Also make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or basically the internet, either using Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, in order to look for updates. And as you can see, I only got the update preview for Windows 11. To install it, click this button. In my case, I'm not gonna do this because it's just a preview. So basically my Windows is up to date and it's only an optional update, so I'm gonna skip it. But that's basically how you update your Windows. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.